Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I am swatching things to get myself warmed up for the day and just to explore some items that have been in my drawer that I haven't used. The last video I did these metallic colored pencils, which I think came from Temu. And now I want to do these Dream double line outline markers. And I've bought these a couple of times. I think I bought them a long time ago from Wish or AliExpress. And I'm not sure whether these came from there or from Temu. I'll try to look it up for you and list it in the description box below. But it's a set of 8. And it says, available on different surface. Perfect for writing, drawing, or coloring. Does not fade. Double line pen. Highly visible. Dream double line outline marker. So let's see what they look like. These ones I don't think I need to label. There are little numbers on them. Nope, no, they're all RM 1507. So I'm just going to start. There's only 8, so I'm going to leave a row in between here. And I think I'll draw my favorite thing to draw, which is a heart. And then I'm going to color in half of it just to see what coloring in looks like. So you're getting a pinky orange coming through there, but I'm not really seeing much of a double line. It just looks silvery on the black. Let's see on the white. And I can see the orange now. So you get the effect of a silver line down the middle with the color around the edge when it dries. That seems to be what it is. On the black too. See if they all just look silver on the black paper. It's good to know, because if you're ever looking for a silver marker on black, you could just use one of these. Now that one just looks silver on here. Kind of feels a little dry. Let me just press it down a bit. That just looks silver. It's supposed to be a light purple, but I don't see any purple there, really. Maybe a touch. That one's given me a good blue outline. Still on the black, it just looks silver. I love that one. Pretty. That one hasn't been. You have to press them to get the ink flowing down to the tip. That one hadn't been used yet. That one is darker than the box or the container would have you think. Still just... Which one is this? Whoa. That's a lot of ink. And then we've got a lime green. Or yellow. And then this one looks almost like a gray or a charcoal. So it just looks dark. Let's see if it looks the same silvery look on here. No, it looks darker on here. Darker than the other colors, other silvers. So the dark background is not letting the color show, but the white does. And that shows you what you can do with, you know, just holding it down. You can get yourself a nice little dot that spreads. Let's do that with all of them just for fun. And let it dry. Interesting. I don't think it's the kind of thing you want to get all over yourself. Like working with glitter. Might need alcohol to remove it. I have some spray bottle. See if that does the trick. Yeah. They don't have a strong alcohol scent, but that is removing it easily. So that's good. Not as thrilling as the other things I've swatched this morning, but it's nice to see the colors. These are a little brighter than I would usually use, but I like this green and these three here. So I'll stick them back in the drawer and try not to forget about them again, because they can add a nice little bit of sparkle around the edge of something. If it's not something that should be inked, but something that should be sparkly, it's another way to do it. So thanks for joining me today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.